Hey YouTube, this is Empress Sweet coming back with another video. I hope all is well on y'all end. Happy Tuesday. I hope you had a fabulous weekend. Mine, it was okay. It was pretty hot here in the South, but other than that, just grateful to see another day. I do have some new shoes for y'all. Just want to let you know that I am selling these shoes and I do have a store on eBay. Just want to give you an update on the eBay store. eBay is still having some issues with my store. Although you are able to, I think you can pull me up by my username, which is Remote Jewel. I'm going to have all the information listed below. But if you're interested in any pair of the shoes, you can message me or you can buy them outright by going to eBay. I also wanted to mention that I do have a coupon code that I am allowing my subscribers to use through the month of July. It's not July yet, right? Yeah, today is the 30th. Tomorrow's the 1st, July 1st. So till the end of July, is the coupon code is called Empress 10. You're gonna get 10% off. So if you're interested in any shoes, I just want to let you know again, you cannot use that coupon code right now on eBay. Again, eBay is having issues with the store, but I will allow you to use the coupon code through me by messaging me. Another thing I forgot to do, I forgot to give y'all the prices of the shoes. So I do apologize for that. If you looked at my video, I think I posted one last week and I forgot to add the prices on there. I do apologize. If you're interested, just send me a message and I'll respond as soon as I can. So I don't want to prolong it anymore. I want to go ahead and show y'all the shoes. But before I do that, can I please get you to comment, rate, share, and subscribe? Thank you so much. The first pair I have is, I have wore these a couple of times, but as you can see, let me put this pencil down. I'm sorry, y'all. The color is like a fuchsia, I think a fuchsia pink. And let me see if y'all can, make sure y'all can see them real good. Maybe if I flip them this way. You have like a little, I was gonna say a butterfly, but it's not a butterfly. It's like a little pendant or something, and it's not removable, so you can't take it off. But you see it, and then it has rhinestones like going up this way here, and rhinestones on the back of the heel. You see that? And rhinestones here. So it's pretty covered in rhinestones, as y'all can see. Um, I think it's a beautiful shoe in my opinion. This is a size 6.5 for this beautiful shoe. Let me see how much I am selling these for. I didn't want to forget. I am selling these for $25. Now that's not with shipping included. Again, if you're interested and you say, hey, I want to buy these shoes, just let me know in the message, where you're located, where you want me to send the shoes to, and I can include the shipping. I can let you know what the shipping is going to be. But again, the shoe is $25, but that does not include shipping. So I just want to let you get another look before I put these away. Can you see them? Okay. 25 for these. And I still have the box. That's kind of what's taking me a little while, because I'm putting them back in the box that they came from, that I ordered. The next pair I have, I still have the plastic for these, y'all. I think these are so pretty. And I just want to say, I'm probably going to say that a lot. Oh, every shoe she pull out, you're probably going to think every shoe is beautiful. In my opinion, I think they are so pretty. I love this color. It's like a royal blue. That's exactly what it is. It's a royal blue. And you see these rhinestones. Oh, y'all. Yes. Look at it. Look, these are covered in rhinestones. Let me bring them close so you can see them. Try to move my fingers out the way. See them? And it has like a silver little heel, skinny heel. And these are a size 6. A size 6. These are open toe. I have worn these a couple of times. These are not brand new, but if you look at them pretty close, they look practically new. I may have worn these twice. Honestly, I think no more than once or twice. Now let me let you look at the bottom of the heel as well. You see that? Still in good condition. I think so. I don't think I gave you the price of these, but I just want you to take another look at them. It's open toe. The heel is not super high either. And it's rhinestones covered in like rhinestones. And the price of these are $30. And again, that does not include shipping. I just, want to make a clear understanding about that. $30. Put them back in the plastic. I still have the box for these. The next pair I have, these are brand new. Let me show you the box. These came from Shoe Dazzle. I don't think they have these shoes anymore. And just in case if you want to go on the website and look, they're by Shoe Dazzle, but I don't think they have them anymore. But y'all, let me tell you. These are nice, y'all. Look at that. I'm just going to give you like a little peep show. Look at that. Look at that. It's a cheetah print. That's what it is. Cheetah. Just look at that, y'all. I'm trying to hypnotize you. Okay, seriously, let me quit being silly. But yeah, these are by Shoe Dazzle, but I don't think they have these anymore. These are brand new. Brand new. I have not worn these. You'll see the brand listed in here. It may look a little awkward from your end, but it is by Shoe Dazzle, as you can see. Let me let you see the bottom of the heel just so you can see for yourself. These are brand new. They have not been worn. And I still have the box too. And let me see. I am selling these for $40. $40. These are beautiful. I love the print. At first I thought it was like a leopard, very close, but according to the description on Shoe Dazzle, it says it's a cheetah print. Okay. I'm trying not to make these videos like super long. Okay, the next pair I have. Now I have worn these a couple of times. These have these. I'm trying to think. What do you call these things? You see them? Like little brackets or something. But these are, the color is like a beautiful like gold, like a rose gold maybe, a rose gold with the little brackets. I don't know what you call these things. I honestly don't. But they're on the back of the shoe. And then let you see the heel. Let me move my fingers so you can see like the side of the shoe. You see that? Okay, look at this bottom, the detail of it. You see that? It's like a gold. It is a gold. It's not like a gold. It is, the color is gold. I think this shoe is so nice, y'all. It's open toe. And these are by Body Central. Body Central is not in business anymore. I don't think they have the stores anymore, or they don't have a store online either. But I used to love this store, y'all. This was like used to be one of my favorite stores. I hated so bad when they went out of business. So yeah, I am selling these. How much am I selling these for? Oh, Oh, I'm selling these for $33. 33. Let me let you look at them one more time. You see the brackets? The little things? See them? And it has like, if you can see pretty close, it has like a glitter. Like it's kind of like a rose gold, but then just a little bit of glitter. But the glitter doesn't come off. It's just kind of like embedded in the shoe. It looks like it to me. It may not. I could be wrong. I don't know. But let me let you look at the front one more time. You see the open toe? See? 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 um And I love that gold detail. I think that really complements the shoe. I do. And I don't think I told you the size. I did not. These are a size 6. I don't know if you can see that at the bottom, but there's a size 6. And these are a size 6, I'm sorry. And I have worn these a couple of times. I am selling these for $33. Okay. And I have 3 more that I'm gonna show just for today. I have more to come, but I don't want to overwhelm y'all in 1 or 2 videos. You know, I'm showing you 20 pair of shoes. Another thing, let me go ahead and add. Right now it's only 1 pair, so what you see, this is what I have. It's not, I don't know what it's gonna be like in the near future. Things may change, but basically what you see is what I have. So it is first come, first serve. Thank you. These are made by, okay, let me, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I've shown you like 4 so far. This is the 5th pair. These are made by, what is this? Wild Rose. It's a pretty familiar brand. Let me show y'all. This shoe is nasty. And I don't mean that as in a gruesome way. I mean as in it's snazzy, it's sharp, y'all. It's different. Look at it. Okay, the zebra print. You see? It's like where you would slide your foot in this and your foot is gonna come out at the bottom. I know it doesn't sound right the way I'm explaining it. I apologize. But this shoe is so nice. As you can see, the heel is not extremely high either. So it is a zebra print. These, I have worn these a few times, excuse me. But again, let me let you see the bottom. They're not in bad shape. They're not. No stains on like this part here. They're still in good shape is what I'm trying to say. Oh, and I forgot to mention, these have like little rhinestones or something like that. I don't know exactly what these things are. But yeah. What size are these, y'all? These, I'm selling these for $25, $25. And I have worn them a couple times. I got 1 more pair because I don't want to make this video super long. Honestly, I don't know how much storage I have in my phone. But I may just show you only 1 pair. So I'm paying close attention to my phone because I don't want it to go out in this video. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. I can't stay here too long, but I want you to look at the shoe though. This is beautiful. It's like a turquoise, teal. Look at the detail bottom. I have worn these a couple times, but they're still in great condition, in good condition, great condition. Let me let you see them. These are by Wild Rose as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let me see. I think I have a little bit of time to go ahead and show you this one. Oh, I'm so sorry. I just realized, I apologize, y'all, that I did not tell you the price for these. I'm so sorry. These here are $27. $27. Yes. They're not brand new, but they're in excellent condition. Okay, back to the last pair that I have for today. You see this? Let me let you see that at the top. Can you see it? These are open toe. It has a beautiful gold detail at the bottom, as you can see. These are a size 6.5. And I don't think I told you the size of these teal ones. I'm so sorry, y'all. These are a size 6.5 as well. I don't know if I said that. I'm so sorry. I'm kind of back and forth between shoes. Sorry. But yeah, these are a size 6.5. I'm trying to see. I think I have worn these like once, maybe like once, but they're still in excellent condition. And size 6.5, and I am selling these for, let me see how much. Oh, $28. 28, y'all. Okay, this is the last pair for today. I think I've shown you about 7 or 8. I'm not exactly sure. But I'm going to go ahead and stop the video. See y'all next time. Bye. Empress Sweet.